So I thought a good place to kick us off was, just be to explain what is the multiverse. And I would just say that the multiverse theory is the idea that our universe, everything we know, space, time, matter, energy, and physical laws, may be just one of many universes that exist simultaneously, potentially with different physical laws, dimensions, or histories. There are different multiverse theories depending on the branch of science or philosophy that you're looking at. So I thought a good place to start off this conversation is to just give a brief rundown of some of those theories. There's the cosmological multiverse that arises from the theory of cosmic inflation. And the idea is just that the universe expanded rapidly right after the Big Bang, and some regions may stop inflating while others continue, creating bubble universes, including ours, and each bubble could have different constants or physical laws. An analogy would be to think of boiling water, where each bubble is a different universe forming in a large cosmic soup. Then there's the quantum multiverse, the many worlds interpretation. Probably a lot of people have heard of that. And in quantum physics, this theory suggests that every possible outcome of a quantum event actually occurs in its own branch of reality. So when you flip a coin, one universe experiences heads and another gets tails. And another theory is the mathematical universe hypothesis proposed by Max Tegmark. And this theory says that any mathematically possible universe exists, and ours is just one of many in existence. And the last one I'll mention is string theory. String theory is a theoretical framework in physics that suggests that the most fundamental building blocks of the universe aren't point-like particles like electrons or quarks, but tiny vibrating strings of energy. And just like how different notes on a guitar string come from different vibrations, each type of fundamental particle, whether it be photon, electron, a quark, is a different note played by these tiny strings. And so it's fascinating to consider that the universe we live in might just be one song in a symphony of all possible string vibrations. Anyway, that's just a brief and very simplified overview of some of the popular theories, and I must say it's all out of my pay grade. Quantum physics is a brain twister, and we're primarily coming at this from a spiritual perspective. So we're exploring the implications of living in a multiverse and how that might play out in the evolution of human consciousness without getting too lost in the weeds of scientific jargon here today, though we will be touching on some experiments that help to understand the multiverse.